Good morning, kids! Let us learn English with me, Teacher Erlin. English Grade 6, Quarter 3. Organizing information from secondary sources. A secondary source is a document or recording that gives information from primary source. The original information is selected, modified, and arranged in suitable format. Examples of secondary sources: reference materials, non-fiction books, biographies, non-print materials. Another examples: almanacs, atlases and gazetteers, specialized references, CD-ROM references. We have also encyclopedias, video references, electronic database. Using primary source or secondary source helps you gather information. On the other hand, organizing information needs thorough reading, gathering information, validating the facts, and writing comprehensively. You may use the following ideas in organizing information from the secondary sources. We have the location, time, alphabet, hierarchy, and category. First, location. You can organize information by showing visual depiction of physical space. You may use diagrams, analogs, graphic representation, and maps to organize location. For example, parts of the nervous system that may be presented using a diagram. Alphabet. Some information is easy to organize using specific terms in alphabetical order, like in dictionaries and index, at the back of the textbook. Time. Another important factor in organizing information is the time element, like history of humanity or events happen in a person's life journey. You may use fishbone, timeline, steps, and cycle graphic organizers. Category. The use of category in presenting information is different from time. This type is used to group similar characteristics such as color, size, usage, brand, texture, materials, gender, age, model, price, content, and nature. For example, types of vehicles that may be written and presented according to usage, brand name, model, and price. Hierarchy. Hierarchies are used to indicate the ranks as to heaviest to lightest, smallest to biggest. For example, rank of population in Lucena City. This is showing how one piece of information is connected to another broader information that you like to emphasize in your written and oral reports. What are the secondary sources of information? What are different ideas you can use in organizing information from secondary sources? And how are these ideas helpful in organizing information? Let us practice. You're going to identify the idea used in organizing information to present the secondary source and example described in every row below. Select your answer on the given choices: alphabet or category, hierarchy, location, or time. First, biography. It is a secondary source that gives the readers information about person's experience. This can be a compilation of person's life journey in chronological order. It emphasizes chronological order. Example, The Rise and Fall of Imelda Marcos by Carmen Navarro Pedrosa. So what do you think? It's time! Next secondary source is the nonfiction books. Nonfiction books are intended in good faith to present only truth and accuracy regarding information, events, or people. So what ideas you will use in organizing information? It's regarding events or people, so we can use time. Next, Almanac. Almanac is a kind of secondary source that shows an annual publication listing a set of events forthcoming in the next year. It includes information like weather forecasts, farmers' planting dates, tide tables, and other tabular data often arranged according to the calendar. Example, The World Almanac and Book of Facts 2020 by Johnson Sarah. So what ideas you will use in organizing information in this secondary source almanac? Is time, wherein there's a listing of set of events forthcoming in the next year. Next is Atlas. Atlas is another secondary source of information. This is a collection of maps. It is typically a bundle of maps of Earth or a region of Earth. Examples, Blue's World Map by John Blue, published in the first book of the Atlas volume on 1664. So what ideas you will use in organizing information from Atlas? Yes, the location. So we're in Atlas, there is a collection of maps. Next is dictionary. Dictionary is a reference book that gives all kinds of information about words. Example is the Merriam-Webster Dictionary. So what ideas you will use in organizing information in the dictionary? Alphabet, because the words written in dictionary is in alphabetical order. It starts with the A to Z. In writing a composition and presenting oral and written reports, sequencing ideas is important. This manner of organizing ideas help you present your topic is specific, clear, and brief. Presented below are events that happened in the year 2020. You're going to number each situation based on its occurrence. Choose number 1 to 5 to show order. So you will write number 1 to 5. Which events happened first? Are the opening of classes? About enhanced community quarantine? About COVID-19 vaccines? Or about Taal eruption? Or novel coronavirus? So you will write number 1 to 5, who or which happened first. Another activity. Inside each column are events or ideas from different secondary sources. So you're going to organize them. First, alphabet. So we have different names of continents and you're going to arrange alphabetical order. We have the Europe, Asia, South America, Antarctica, Africa, North America, and Australia. Next is hierarchy. So we have the national government leaders. You're going to rank according to the position. Who is in the first position or the highest position? Vice President, President, Senators, Barangay Captain, Congressman, Mayors, and Governor. And next is from the category. So we have the pieces of matter. Another is the location. You're going to track Typhoon Rally, where the Typhoon Rally first spotted. And then the time, you're going to organize the 3-day weather outlook for Port Area, Metro Manila. You're going to see the date or the day. Another, you're going to read the selection My Pair of Slippers. And then, organize the given information following the patterns or ideas given inside the table. And these are the following information that you're going to organize. First, alphabet. Organize the following verbs in alphabetical order. So we have the admire, born, make, wish, enjoy. Another category, organize pair of things and how they are used. Earrings, gloves, sunglasses, and slippers. Hierarchy. Organize parts of the body from head to toe. Feet, head, shoulder, waist, and knees. Location. Organize activities based on the distance where your pair of legs can bring you from nearest to farthest. Jumping, walking, running, hopping. Time. Organize events from the story My Pair of Slippers. She became amputated. Their neighbors are celebrating. They lighted the fireworks and hit her legs. And again, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.